Good morning, everyone. I wish I could be here with you live this morning, but I do look forward to meeting with some of you during our special education workshop series this afternoon. Right now, I'd like to talk with you a little bit about our 3 levels of individual services, as well as some of the other services dLCV provides in the area of special education. We receive a high volume of calls with special education concerns. Unfortunately, in Virginia, the need for special education advocates is higher than the supply. However, at a minimum, dLCV provides callers with information about their child's rights. When we are unable to assist directly, dLCV also provides families with referrals to other organizations that may be able to provide advocacy. This is our first level of individual services. Our second level of individual services is called short-term assistance. This may include more detailed information on a family's rights or communication to the school or other organization to notify them that a family has a particular concern. Our highest level of individual services is case-level services. In special education, case-level services can involve a wide range of direct advocacy and can include attending mediation, filing a complaint with the State Department of Education, or filing for due process on behalf of a family. Let's take a minute to go through what some of these options entail. Mediation involves both the school and the family working with a mediator to facilitate productive discussion of an issue with the goal of creating a settlement agreement among the parties. A state complaint involves submitting the information and documentation related to an alleged violation of special education rights by a school. The Virginia Department of Education will then investigate the matter, and if they find the school out of compliance, they will issue a letter outlining the corrective action a school must take. Due process is an administrative hearing, in some ways similar to an informal trial, where a hearing officer listens to evidence from both the school and the family, determines if a school violated any special education laws or regulations, and if so, orders a specific remedy to correct the harm done to the student. Many special education cases are largely dependent on a child's educational record. So dLCV may request that a family provide us with certain documents to review prior to dLCV agreeing to provide advocacy services. The relationship between the family and the school is continual and spans a child's entire education. While dLCV may be able to represent a family on a specific issue, it is vital for parents to develop the knowledge and skills to advocate for their child's needs. This is why dLCV also focuses on helping parents learn their rights and learn strategies to enable parents to better advocate for their child. dLCV conducts parent trainings on special education. These trainings cover both rights and tips for a successful individualized education program, or IEP, meeting. dLCV has also created a guidebook for parents on special education, which is available for purchase on our website. In addition, also on our website, we have fact sheets and short video lessons on various special education topics. dLCV recognizes that there is a great need for special education advocacy and is working towards increasing the availability of these services in Virginia. dLCV contracts with outside organizations to provide additional advocacy services at the IEP meeting level. These organizations assist families in working with schools to develop proper IEPs for their child. dLCV also has plans in the works to partner with Legal Aid Justice Center on their newly developed special education pro bono program. This program trains and works with volunteer attorneys to provide representation to families on a variety of special education matters. The Legal Aid Justice Center has just completed its first round of training for attorneys, and dLCV hopes to assist the Legal Aid Justice Center in this effort by providing additional trainings and technical assistance to participants throughout the upcoming fiscal year. dLCV knows that while individual advocacy can greatly change the educational path for a student, there are systemic problems within special education in Virginia that need to be solved as well. dLCV works to educate policymakers on various issues in the area of special education, including seclusion and restraint. We submit public comment during the regulatory process and testimony in the General Assembly. dLCV also partners with other organizations in the community to identify and address systemic concerns across Virginia. Through individual advocacy, self-advocacy supports, and systemic initiatives, dLCV is working to improve the education of students with disabilities across the Commonwealth. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our agency, and I hope you enjoy the other sessions we have in store for you today.